Hello students, teachers and family members. Welcome to our Thursday Assembly.
This week's assembly will be presented by One D.
Nina and Eden will now deliver the acknowledgement of country.
I wish to acknowledge the traditional custodians of this land, the Wallabunjal people of Eora Nation, who have performed age-old ceremonies of storytelling, music, dance and celebration.
We acknowledge and pay respect to the elders past, present and to those of the future, for they hold the memories, traditions and hopes of Aboriginal Australia.
Thank you, Eden and Nina. Please stand quietly for the school song. Please sit quietly. Now we'll listen to some teacher messages.
Mango, 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 mango. Mango, 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 mango. Mango, 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 mango.
It's mango time! Get your orders in now! Mangoes, mangoes, mangoes!
Fruit and Vegetable Month. What's that about, Bella? It's a competition for fruit and vegetable month. It's the competition. Design a poster. What's the poster about? Eat more fruit and vegetables. Can we use paint? Can we use it on the computer? Can we use it with textures? Yes! Yay! Enter.
You need to get this piece of paper and write your name here and write your class here.
And then what do you do with it, Georgia?
Stick it on the back of your poster.
You get this piece of paper outside Mrs. Dunn's class.
Are you all going to enter?
Yeah!
Fruit and Vegetable Month starts on the 31st of August, and to celebrate we're having a poster competition. The theme for the competition is Planet Fruit and Veg, and your poster needs to get across one or more of the messages: eat more fruit and vegetables, don't waste fruit and vegetables, and choose local and in-season fruit and veggies. Now, you need to collect your entry form from Mrs. Dunn's room or from the office and stick it on the back of an A3 piece of paper for your poster. Make sure you have your name, class and stage on it, please. Now, think big, bright, bold, eye-catching. It's a poster. It needs to get people's attention. And when you finish, drop it into Mrs. Dunn's room before the 18th of September. And yes, there are prizes for each stage. Have fun with it.
Thank you, teachers. Next week on Tuesday it will be spring. One day have been learning a Japanese song with Mrs. Dixon. It is called Haruka Kita. It's about spring, the flowers and the birds.
Congratulations to this week's bronze and silver award winners.
It's time for the weekly fish spit draw. Students will receive a $1 voucher for the canteen.
From Kinder Year 1 and Year 2 is William. The winner from Stage 2 is Bryce. The winner from Stage 3 is Jade from 4-5H.
Well done. Your voucher will be delivered to your classroom.
To do the Wombat Wobble. Well, let's do it. Do the didgeridoo, and the Wombat Wobble, and the kangaroo, and the emu too, and jump in the air, and turn around, and say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you. Do the crocodile snap, and the cockatoo flap, and the penguin walk, and the little seal clap, and jump in the air, and turn around, and say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you. Now let's do the rock and roll version. Do the didgeridoo, and the wombat wobble, and the kangaroo, and the emu too. And you jump up in the air, and you turn around, and you say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you. Do the crocodile snap, and the cockatoo flap, and the penguin walk, and the little seal clap, and you jump up in the air, and you turn around, and you say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you. Do the didgeridoo, and the wombat wobble, and the kangaroo, and the emu too, and you jump up in the air, and you turn around, and you say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you. Do the crocodile snap, and the cockatoo flap, and the penguin walk, and the little seal clap, and you jump in the air, and you turn around, and you say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you. Do the didgeridoo, and the wombat wobble, and the kangaroo, and the emu too, and you jump in the air, and you turn around, and you say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you. Do the crocodile snap, and the cockatoo flap, and the penguin walk, and the little seal clap, and you jump in the air, and turn around, and you say to mom and dad and all your friends in a big love heart, I love you.
It's now time for Mr. Rose's weekly message.
Hi everyone, I hope you're enjoying 1D's assembly. I'm out the front of the school this morning because I wanted to show you how good the kindies started our mural last week, adding colour to it. Doesn't it look fantastic? We're going to continue on with that, with some Year 1 classes doing some work on it this week and moving through the school. But it's starting to look really great with that colour added to it. This week is also SAF's Appreciation Week. So we get to say thank you to our really great workers in our office, all of our learning support officers that help in the classrooms. It's our chance to really say thank you to them for all the help and the assistance that they give you. All those times that they've helped you with your learning in class, all those times that they've helped out when you've come up not feeling very well or you've lost something or you've needed to call home. we're really lucky at Browley to have such wonderful office staff and such wonderful helpers in the classroom. So please make sure this week when you get a chance, say thank you for all the great things that they do to help you. Finally, we're super lucky this week to have Happy Healthy Harold, the life education van, here to help deliver some great learning on how to stay safe, how to be good friends and how to look after yourself. All the classes will be visiting the Happy Healthy Harold van this week to have their sessions, so looking forward to that. I know that there've already been some classes through, which is fantastic. All right, guys, that's all I've got for this week. Have a great week and we'll talk to you next week. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Rose. Please stand quiet for the national anthem.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are young and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. Big joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant southern cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this home the wealth of us, renowned of all the lands. For those who've come across the seas with boundless plains to share, with courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair. In joyful strains and let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Please sit quietly.
Thank you for watching our video assembly.
Have a great week. See you next time.
Thank you for watching our...
Congrats. There's a spider.
I wish to the acknowledgement.
I just keep on giving it.
Now it's time for Mr. Rose's Miss...
I forgot.
Rightly for the school.